Namaskar. Have you observed that when winter arrives, you feel more hungrier? The air turns cool and your body naturally craves warmth and nourishment. According to Ayurveda, this is the time when our digestive fire is strongest and ready to absorb the richest nutrients. And what does nature gives us at this time? A beautiful carpet of green leafy vegetables. Each leaf has its own healing story, and today I am going to share how 6 simple winter green can protect your health through the cold months. Because true health does not come from tonic or supplement, it comes from your kitchen, from the soil beneath your feet, and from respecting nature's timing. Winter is the season to build your body, increase your immunity, and prepare your strength for performance throughout the year. Let's begin with suva or dill leaves. They are light in texture and deeply warming, nature's way of helping you support your body and keep your joints supple. They help reduce gas, improve appetite, and ease your joint stiffness, something many of us feel on cold morning. A bowl of suva dal or suva thepla keeps your stomach satisfied and your joints flexible. It increases overall immunity and strength. For new mothers, dill, gentle postnatal healer. It strengthens digestion, supports recovery, and rebuilds strength after delivery, helping the body regain vigor and stamina for the months ahead. Next come chaulai or amaranth leaves. The bright red or green chaulai is one of the most beautiful leaves of winter. Its vibrant color signals vitality and energy to build your body and maintain immunity. It is packed with calcium, iron, and vitamin C, so it is great for bones, muscles, and skin, helping maintain strength and performance. In Ayurveda, it strengthens body tissues and balances Vata during the cold season, warming the body and improving stamina naturally. Cook it simply with little ghee, hing, and ginger, and it becomes a nourishing tonic that enhances immunity, strength, and vigor for the whole family. Then we have Bathua or Chenopodium green. This grows wild all across North India. Nature's gift to cleanse and strengthen your body. It is very powerful because it cleanses your liver and improves digestion. In this way, it gently detoxifies your system and boosts immunity for whole year. Whether in a Bathua raita or a soft Bathua paratha, it keeps the stomach light and system strong, supports your body's natural ability to build stamina and performance. Next is Palak or spinach, which is a familiar name. It is rich in iron, folate, and chlorophyll. So, Palak nourishes your blood, builds vitality, and enhances the vigor, helping you stay strong and energetic. A warm bowl of Palak soup on a cold evening not only comforts your body but also uplifts your senses. A simple way to strengthen immunity and performance. Just remember, lightly cooked palak is better absorbed than raw, giving sustained energy and strength and resilience during winter and beyond. And then there is a methi, which is so commonly used in our kitchen. It has slightly bitter taste, which is medicine in disguise. It ignites digestion, supports natural warmth, building immunity and vigor. Methi improves digestion, controls blood sugar, and relieves joint pain. All common winter complain, so it helps maintain strength and performance. Methi parathas or methi dal once or twice a week, which will help you keep warm, flexible, and clear skin, nourishing your body, enhancing immunity naturally. And when you are feeling sluggish or heavy, Methi brings back balance and lightness, helping you stay active, energetic, and strong for all year long. Finally comes sarson or mustard greens. It is naturally heating, full of antioxidants, perfect for building stamina, endurance, and immunity. Sarson improves blood circulation and clears mucus from your system, supporting strength and performance. When blended with ghee or makai atta, it becomes a famous sarson ka saag, a true energy food that has kept Punjab's farmers strong and resilient in the biting cold for generations. Now, I will give you one standard recipe to prepare any of these winter greens, a sattvic, nourishing way to enhance immunity and vigor. Take about 4 cups of any of or a mix of greens: methi, palak, bathua, chaulai, suva, or sarson. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or cold pressed oil. Add a teaspoon of cumin seed and a teaspoon of sesame seed. Add a pinch of hing and grated ginger. Now add the chopped greens with a little water. Cover and let them cook till soft, around 7 to 10 minutes. Add salt to taste and a spoon of makai ka atta or a besan to thicken. Simmer on low flame for another 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of ghee and serve hot with roti, makke ki roti or rice. To make this even better, I will give you a few tips. For methi, mix with little palak to reduce bitterness and enhance strength, immunity, and vigor, building nutrient. For palak, add a squeeze of lemon before serving. It improves iron absorption, energy, and performance. Bathua goes beautifully with curd or buttermilk later in the day. It supports digestion, immunity, and strength. Suva blends well with moong dal for light yet strengthening lunch, helping build stamina and resilience. And sarson tastes smoother when combined with bit of bathua or palak, gentler on digestion yet deeply nourishing for immunity and performance. Always add a spoon of ghee to balance their fibrous texture and improve nutrient absorption. If you have high pitta dosh, use suva and methi in moderation. To include these wonderful leaves in your diet, make it a small personal practice to have a winter green day each week. Rotate 1 or 2 green daily, not all at once. Those with kidney or gallbladder stones should eat spinach and bathua in moderation. These greens are nature's gem. They keep your body's resilience, your joints strong, and mind steady during the cold season. So, at least one day in a week, let your plate be green. Maybe a bowl of sarson methi saag, a palak soup, or bathua paratha with ghee. That simple meals become your immunity strength and stamina on your plate. This is how nature builds our stamina, our vigor, and strength in winter, preparing our body for performance and health throughout the year. Namaskar.